Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrook with MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out here on this beautiful day checking out our all-new redesigned 2026 Harris Sunliner 230 Sport. You can see we got it in that beautiful gloss black with the titanium accent stripe. You guys climb aboard and let's check out the inside of this thing. So starting back here, you can see we do have the lily pad ladder on there. So that's a nice sturdy ladder that'll drop in the water real easily, make a stair step like platform down there. And this boat's going to be powered by a 200 horsepower Mercury with a digital throttle. So a ton of power back there and a nice smooth shifter to go with it. Take a quick look at our tow bar with the safety chains connected. So you're able to ride facing aft and you've got fender storage right there attached to those safety rails. I'll start making the way into the cockpit now. You can see you do have a pass-through door here. And I'll show you this nice big lounger that you have way back here. So it will flip to a couple different positions. You had that one facing forward, this one facing aft, and then you'll drop it down to lay completely flat when you're out hanging out, want to get a good suntan or something going on there. Down there you'll notice a remote controller for your wet sound stereo system, as well as an onboard charger. Really nice to have on a new pontoon, that way you can leave it plugged up, you never have to worry about those batteries dying. Speaking of batteries, new for 2026 is a new battery switch placement. So down here, right in front of the lounger, you'll notice that. And when I was hopping on here earlier, I was able to reach that directly from the captain's chair. So a really fun feature to have on the Sunliner here. It makes it easy to flip it on and off, never forget about it. You can see this is the dual helm chair layout. So you've got twin captain's chairs, full swivel, armrest, and they'll both lean forward and back. And then you'll notice this one on the captain's side here is on a raised helm. So it gives you an amazing viewpoint up above the bow of the boat. Take a quick look at our Simrad screen showing our chart plotter on there. So this will have all the features you need while you got the boat underway. And then you have some physical switches off to the side over there to control things like lighting. And then there's that Mercury digital throttle I was talking about. You'll also notice next to the steering wheel, you've got a wireless cell phone charger and the wet sounds stereo system on board here. Another option this boat has, which is super fun to have and it becomes useful out there, is that center storage. Huge compartment there, drops right in your middle tune, and then you have dedicated shoe storage up underneath your chase flip-up table, which I'll show you right here. As we make our way up into the bow, you can see you got twin loungers on either side. Nice long loungers where you can stretch out. For reference, I am about 6'3", so just about anybody's gonna be able to sit up here and you can fit a ton of people. They're not stretching out like I just was. Underneath each of these seats are nice big storage compartments, and you actually have 3 cup holders on either side of the bow up here. Thank y'all for checking out this 230 Sunliner Sport. If you guys want to come check it out, you can give us a call at 803-831-2101. You can ask for me, Blake Holbrook.